Colombia. Alright, guys, how are you doing today? I hope you have a very nice weekend. Um, Argentina just lose. Oh my God, I am pained, but at the same time excited because today I decided to like start something. Begin to start sharing my daily outlook for gold. Alright, so what I normally do is that I go to the first day I go to the daily time frame. I will mark out the areas, right? This is a very key area, right? Because market reacted today, market reacted today again, right? And it's at this point that this major pull to this area started. So it's a very good point to mark, especially when price is beginning to approach this area, right? This market is entirely bearish, right? Geopolitical event, is supporting the dollar, and the dollar has been bullying gold for quite some time now. And Trump is still bombing Iran, so I don't see the war ending anytime soon. But because I am doing a daily outlook, not a weekly outlook, so every day I'll be doing this every day, right? So let's dive into that's the 1 hour time frame. I wanted to find a support for that 1 hour time frame, right? And let me go back to the daily time frame I think on me. Can we find a resistance line? Let me check. Let me check. No, too far. Let's take this area here. This should be very good. Um, resistance, right? So let's go down to the 2 hour time frame. 2 hour time frame. 2 hour time frame. 2 hour time frame. So let's use trend lines now to see how we can look for key areas within market more likely um, touch and then within the banks, right? So let's start from here. No, let's start from here. This is where at this point that this major dome to this area actually started. So let's start doing our trend lines from there. Let's connect this to this, right? We have our resistance trend line there. Let's why my mouse doing all this? Right, so this you can actually start this from here, start it from here. Let me see, you can start it from here, right? As market being expecting this trend line, I don't think so. Let me delete this. Let me delete this. Let's just start from here. Let's start from here. Market has been respecting this area. Let's move this up. Alright, very good, very good. So we have this key area, and I think it's important that we should mark out this area, right? Price has been bouncing up this area for quite some time, so it's important we mark out the area that we should look out for in our market today. Mark out this area because price bounce here, came here, bounce, came here, bounce, bounce, and bounce, break and then 100 to multi, right? So I think it's a very key area for us to look. So I'll raise my directional bias now in this market. I see this market is bearish as always, right? And I think this area is worthy of mark to this area. price has also been reacting to this area for quite some time now. Right? So I think it's important for us to mark this area. Oh my god, the chat is becoming too crowded. Alright, so let me expand this. Expand this. Right. I expect this market to move to this area, right? Probably bounce up to this um resistance line and then boom back to this area, right? Boom back to this area. That's my take on gold today. But I'm expecting the liquidity resting here. There's also a liquidity resting here. So we may see this market probably come to this place, react, maybe push. But the distinct traders um sellers buyers sorry to enter the market and then dump back to this area, right? So any of this is possible, right? But as far as Trump continues to drop bomb in Iran, I don't see this much. I don't see gold coming bullish anytime soon. Any retracement you see going up is an opportunity for you to continue to work, to continue to sell. And even if you are buying, the opportunity for like this is um buy opportunity. This area too, it's a very good area for you to buy. Very good area. Look at it. Very good area for you to buy too. Right? What you buy, ensure that you literally stop loss or you don't sell long in the market because anything can happen and the market will continue to bomb aggressively. Right? So thank you so much for watching to this point. I really hope you have a great day. However, let's look at Forex Factory. There's no any important news that is affecting the dollar today. Right? So signing out and do have a good week ahead and good trading day.